Welcome, dear students. We are in this class. We will learn some of the techniques to answer some of the questions which are linked with electromagnetism. We are starting new topic that is for electromagnetism. And in this connection, here we are. What is the nature of the force between two parallel current carrying wires in the same direction? So this is one of the most important questions which is frequently asked. What will be the direction if nature and direction of the force between two parallel current carrying wire in the same direction? Nature of the force. So consider two straight parallel conductors separated by a distance r from each other. Let I1 and I2 let I1 and I2 is allowed to flow through the conductor 1 and 2 respectively in same direction. Here it is. Here it is. If it is I1, this one I2. They are the conductor in which the current is flowing in the same direction. If you look at, current is flowing in the same direction in these conductors. So now due to current I1 and I2, magnetic fields are set up around each conductor as in the figure. The magnetic field B1 and B2, the magnetic field due to conductor 1 is B1 and due to B2 that is B2. So this is the magnetic field around the conductor are acting in opposite directions due to always directed from stronger field towards weaker. Thus there will exist an attractive force between the two conductors, parallel straight wire conductors. What will be the force? There will be a force of attraction in this case. When the current in two parallel wires be flowing in the same direction in both the wire, they produces magnetic field surrounding the wire. According to Right-hand rule, the magnetic field around the wire is counterclockwise. In between the two wires, the two magnetic fields are opposite to each other, due to which there produces a weak magnetic field, and now the force acts on the wire from stronger to weaker region, due to which the two conductor carrying wires current will attract each other. Hence, the nature of the force between the two wires having the same flow of the current in the same direction is attractive in nature. So this is the reason. These are the logics. On the basis of these logics, you will be able to explain what's happening and why the force of attraction will be there if there are two conductors which are parallel to each other and the current flowing through the conductor is along the same direction. So here it is, the force in between them will be the weaker, and due to this the force of attraction will be there. Attractive forces will be there in case of the conductors which are uh, parallel wires and the current is flowing in the same direction. So here always directed from stronger regions towards the weaker region. Therefore, there will exist an attractive force between the two parallel straight wires conductors. When the current in two parallel wires be flowing in the same direction, then in both wires there produces a magnetic field surrounding the wire. According to right-hand rule, the magnetic field around each wire is counterclockwise. If you use the law that is right-hand rule, then it will show the direction of the magnetic field. And if you look at by using the right-hand rule, you will see that the direction is in counterclockwise. between the two wires. The two magnetic fields are opposite to each other, due to which there produces a weak magnetic field. Wires are in the same direction, current flows in the same direction. You use the right hand rule, and they will be opposite to each other. So that's why there will be force of uh, a weak magnetic field between the two. So the wires from the stronger to weak field, due to which the two current carrying wires will attract each other. Hence the nature of the force between the two wires having the same flow of the current in same direction is attractive in nature. So here is another alternate answer for this question. It is whether the two current carrying conductors are placed at the same distance apart. They exert a force on each other because each conductor lies in the magnetic field set up by the other current carrying conductor if the current in both the conductor is the same direction. Here it is. This is the most important point to understand. If the current in the both conductor is in the same direction, then their associated magnetic field cancel each other in between the conductor, while the magnetic field outside the conductor adds up. Inside the conductor cancels each other, while the magnetic field outside the conductor adds up, which force the conductors towards each other. So that's why now by applying the right hand rule, it can be shown that force on the first conductor is towards the second conductor and towards the first conductor. It means that the both the conductors attract each other. So this is the reason what happens in case of the two. This was an alternate uh, technique to answer such types of the question, in which if the both the conductors are parallel to each other, current is flowing along the same direction, and we will see that by using right hand rule, we will see the direction of magnetic field inside in between the two conductors. They will be opposite and they will cancel each other, but when we move away from the conductor, the magnetic field will add up, and due to this magnetic field, there will be a force of attraction, because outer side the magnetic field is strong, inner side the magnetic field is weak due to cancellation process. So that's why it is both the conductors will attract each other and the conductors will move towards each other. So this is the logic. Whenever such types of the question is asked, or such situation is asked where there are two conductors which are parallel to each other, the current flowing is along the same direction, what will be the direction of the force, and where the force will be weaker and where the force will be stronger? This is the correct answer to, for this types of the question, type of the question. Thank you very much.